welcome back to Ponder Creations Farm. The bees have arrived. The queen is actually here. We set up the bee yard. It's right next to the chicken coop. You can check it out next time you're here. It was a really eventful night, so we made a little video on how we released the bees, and we hope you enjoy it. As with any crazy homestead, you know that the thousands of bees ended up on my kitchen counter for a little bit. So we put on some theme music for them and got to work setting them free. We've been waiting for bees for a couple years, so we were very excited to get them, and we cannot wait for another year till we can get their honey.
Okay, ready? Hold on, I'm gonna have to pull the queen out. There's gonna be a lot of bees. Close it, close it. I would get away, babe. You got the queen? Mom, they're flying around you. Here, bring the queen so Mom can see it. Just in there. See it with the mark on her? Uh-huh. Who put that mark on her? Is it just natural or? No, they mark him. Okay. Oh, I want to get stung. I'm going to time. Wait, why don't we have the smoke machine thing? You're not supposed to smoke them right now. Oh. I'm confused on what to do. We're making a little hole in here. You're not supposed to remove it all because you don't want the queen to come out right away. This is basically fondant. You know? Oh, there's one crawling on you, Keegan. Yeah, well, I'm in a suit, so I'm fine. I don't have any on me, right? That's basically what he said to do. You don't want to open it up too much. Wait, how is she ever going to get out? We're going to eat that sugar. You probably eat it, sugar. Can I try? Then we're going to take her. Wait, so what does she do in the box? There's 6 bees in there that take care of her. They're feeding her right now. Are they? Lucky? One of them's dead. The queen's alive and good, though, so that's all that matters. I'm so confused. You're missing. What do I do? Oh, really? Can I do something? Just, try to get them in. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so now they're getting really angry, you guys.
So next time you guys make a trip to Ponder Creations Farm, make sure you check out the new beehive. We are at 101 Allen Street in Terryville, Connecticut, and we are open weekends from 10 to 5. See you at the farm.